In this session we will see pages and sub pages of this particular website. So this is a website which uses the template from the Wix website builder. We will see how the pages and sub pages are arranged here. So how do we check? So in this preview option, or we can see here, we have got new, women, men, and these are the user logins here, and this is the cart. So these are the pages and sub pages. Whenever we select the product, so that will be getting and sitting inside the cart option. So we'll see how these pages and sub pages are getting managed here. So mainly we know here we mainly have a men, women, and a new pages. So click on the home button. In the home button you have a drop down button. Click on this drop down button. As soon as I click on this drop down button, you have got the site pages here. So you can see site pages. Site pages, we have a home, new, women, men, store policy, so and all, etc, etc. So how to edit those particular pages? So just come down here, click on the manage pages option. So below here there is a manage pages option. So click on the manage pages. Click on the drop down, go to manage pages. So it will show you here the list of your pages and sub pages. So few pages got hidden here, so you can change its policies. So new, what are the things we have in a new page? So click on the new page, so it will show you the things which are available inside the new page. So shop now option you have, so you can edit, you can add the details, you can remove the details here from the new page. Click on the women's page. We will see what are the things which are already ready for the women pages. Basically these are the templates, so it will not have any much information, just it will have a proper layout. So we can change it, we can add the product, we can add the details here. So we are not adding any coding here, we are just dragging and dropping. Click on the men. So we can see here related layout is related to men's shopping. Store policy has been hidden here. Click on this three dot button if you want to unhide it. So just have to click on this I button. So otherwise you can click on three dots button, and click on the show button. So it is now unhidden. Shopping and return option, click on this three dot button, we can click on show option. So shopping and hidden also we can see here. So click here. So it will come in this next. Sorry, we are into the store policy only. So click on home button. In the home button, I will save this and we will see where are those unhidden pages are coming. So click on done, click on preview. So this is the website where preview is coming. So whenever I click on new, so it will go to new button, new page, women, and now we have more option. Inside the more option we have a men, store policy, shipping and returns. If we add, I'll go back to editor and I will unhide all other options and we will see how it looks like in the main website. Go to drop down button, click on the manage pages option. I will unhide the shop, so click on dot three button, click on show. About, I will change it, click on three dots, click on show button, and frequently asked, I don't want to keep frequently asked. So I will remove this new button, click on the new button and click on delete. You can click on delete option. So this new button will be moved off. So we can go for home page. Home page is also hidden. I'll click on show. Now you can see home page, and after home page I will go with the about page, and after about we'll go with the men, women, store policy, shipping, return, and shop. So after about I will keep shop option. Just come back here, click on the save button. We'll choose home button here and then click on the save button. Click on done and then click on the preview option. So this is the preview option. We have a home option here, about option. In the more option, you can see all pages has got unhidden. So we can see all the pages. Any pages if you want to click, you can just click on that particular option. So it will just jump to that particular page. So what if you want to move this area, so or this information box, if you want to move that, we'll go back to editor. I will click on this area. Make sure this entire thing I want to remove. So double click on it so you can delete it. Click outside. See that particular information has been hidden. So if you want to drag upside, you can drag this entire menu bar upside. So I'll just drag it and move it upside. Similarly, I want to reduce the size of this section. You can see this is the section. I just don't want to see this area. We will see in the preview option. I will save it. We'll see in the preview option and then you will understand. Click on preview. Yes, in the preview some space is left over here, so I want to reduce that space. So we will reduce by editor. So click on black to editor option. So we can see this segment is little bit more. So I will use this button, up and arrow button, adjust header and header height. So we can reduce it to less height. So this is one option. The another option, this section has got a very big, but the content is very low. So you can even adjust that area. So select this button and you can move it upside. The area, the black color area is getting reduced. So I will be able to move this design little bit upside. I'll move this area also. So make sure whenever I'm moving, you can see the small pink lines. So those pink lines are the grid lines. So it will be helpful for you to align those center properly using the radius of that particular area. I would like to move this line. I'll just delete it. So we have a read more option. So this is the link button. So we can keep it here. We will edit this button. So click on this change text and icon. So we can use read more, or we can click on just more options. So I'll reduce more options. So you can give the link also. Click on the add link. So more, it may go to different pages. I will choose the different page. So I will give product page. So in the new tab, so click done. So now more has got the link, so we can connect it to external. We can connect it to external link. So background of the move, I'll click on the button and click on the layout. So you can choose the different layouts here. Click on the design button. So I would like to use this option. So I'll drag a little bit so I can see the button. So button has been created now. We will see how it looks like. So I'll drag it a little bit. So I'll keep aligned to this particular upside and bottom box. Save it and we'll see in the preview options. click on the preview. You can see the website. You can click here, it will jump to the product page because it is linked to the product page. So this is the header. So we'll go back to the editor option. This is the header of this your website name. So you can, if you don't want this corner name, you can remove it. So select that particular part and delete it. And you can add some logos here if you want. You can add the logos by just clicking on it and manage column. Sorry. So we'll have to add the element here. Click on the element. Click on the add element. So in this element you can choose the image here. So I'll click on the image. So in the image we have three options: my upload, image collections, and social images also are available. So we can create images here. So click on this images. So we have many images here. Image collections. So free Wix images. So I'll go to free Wix images. It will tend to choose the image options. So this is an online store. We can choose any image here. For example, I will choose related to online stores. I will search here for online store and press enter. So I just selected here online store. So those info are related to that particular keyword. We'll get some of the information. So we can use relevant image here. That's fine. We can use okay, I'll just choose this online store image and click. I selected this one and then click on the add to page option. So click on the add to page. This will be closed and that image is coming here background side. So we'll reduce the size of this image. And I will keep this image, drag and drop to this particular area. So I will reduce this strip. Okay, that's enough. We'll click on save and go to the preview option. So we'll see how it looks like now. That image is not appearing here. We'll see what happens to that image. Probably the size of the image is too large, so it will ask you any kind of icons here. So you can see the strip has got nothing image here, so that image is, the size of the image is too much higher, so that's why it is not coming here. We can use icons here or logos here. We can add it. Now you know the procedure. You can go to add elements and you can choose or your own collections. You can go to my uploads option. So it will jump to upload my images upload. So you can upload your own images and you can add it to this particular section. So because the size is too high, so that is not appearing here.